Hello Jay, how are you doing today?
I am fine, chef. Thank you.
I can see that you have started chopping vegetables. I am happy to see you are progressing well. Let me show you how to set up the kitchen table properly.
Okay, what should I do?
First thing you do is clean up the table. Take a wet kitchen duster, and then clean the table. Once it is cleaned, wipe it with a dry duster.
Why should I clean the table, when I just cleaned it some time back?
You have to clean the table so that if there is any debris, or dirt that can get cleaned away. It will also help prevent cross-contamination. Once you have cleaned the table, take the wet towel or a kitchen paper, and place it on the table under the chopping board.
How does that help, chef?
If you keep the chopping board on the wet towel, the board will stay in place and will not slip while in use.
Oh, I see. I did not know that.
If you are right-handed, that is, you use the knife in your right hand, keep your tray of vegetables on the left side. Also keep 2 empty pans or tray to your right side. The first for all the peels and trimmings, and second for the cut vegetables. With your station set up like this, you will be able to work faster.
You are absolutely right, chef. The setup does increase my speed. Thank you, chef. Today I learned how to set up my workstation properly. I also learned why it is important to keep things organized. It has helped me a lot to improve my speed and cleanliness.
And what about you? Did you learn how to set up the kitchen workstation? Also, do visit our courses page on our website hoteltutor.com. We have many training courses for the hotel industry.